Good morning, students. Today's concept is similarities and differences between the NumPy arrays and list. Previous class we have seen about the anatomy of NumPy arrays. We learned 5 terms there. Like axis, we have seen axis is nothing but number of dimensions. Dimensions are called axis. Axis 0 means 1 dimension. Axis 1 means 2 dimension. Right? And we seen second definition called rank. Rank is nothing but number of axes, right? Then third definition we have seen about the shape. How many elements are there in the first dimension? Number of elements present in the first dimension, second dimension and third dimension. So it tells about the number of elements in each and every dimension, that is about the shape. And we have seen fourth definition called D type. It tells about the data type of individual element present in the array. And we see one more definition called item size, that tells about the size of the each and every item. Now we will see about the similarities and differences between the NumPy arrays and Python lists. Okay, first we'll see the similarity. The similarity between the arrays, NumPy arrays and Python list is indexing is the similarity between the NumPy arrays and Python list. Okay, here in this example you know about import statement, right? And we are giving the name as np, and these 5 6 7 8 7 5 7 8 are the list values. That list values are converted into array, NumPy array called x, with the help of array of function. Okay, now x is what? An array. This is an array, NumPy array. This is NumPy array. Okay, x is NumPy array. And what about y? Y is list. Y is an example of list. It is an example of list. Okay, so x is having 5 7 8 and y is having 6 7 8. X is an array, y is a list. I am trying to print the values here. I am trying to print the values. The first value I am printing is x of 0, that is the x is an array and the values present in the array are 5 5 7 8. So we will have the 3 blocks. The first block will have 5 7 8. This is x. Similarly, so this is what? 0 1 2, and other one is y. So it is also having the values. The values are 6 7 8. So 0 is indexing, 1 index and 2 index. X of 0 is 5 and y of 0 is 6. So indexing is similar in both the cases, that is NumPy array and Python list. That is the similarity. We'll go with next one, the differences. Okay, first difference, we'll see all the differences. These are the different differences between the NumPy array and a list, right? First one is NumPy array works on homogeneous elements. Homogeneous means similar elements, right? Python lists are made for heterogeneous elements, right? Heterogeneous means dissimilar elements. So homogeneous means similar elements. It will have integer values, only integer values, or else only float values, only string values. Heterogeneous means it can have a mixed values, integer, float, character values. Okay, and Python lists support adding and removing elements. NumPy does not support adding and removing element. This point is misplaced. It should be a reverse, that is this point is about NumPy and this one is for list. Okay, NumPy arrays does not support adding and removing of elements. So we can't append the elements, we can't add the elements or remove the elements from the NumPy array. Whereas in Python it will support, there is a function called append of that will add the element at the end of the list and the remove function is there, that deletes the element from the list. So it will support both. This is the point for list and this point is for NumPy array. It was misplaced, students. Okay, next point, cannot contain elements of different data types. That is nothing but the first point itself, homogeneous elements. Can contain elements of different data types. Okay, list will have a dissimilar elements, smaller size, and it is the size is more in list compared to the NumPy. Okay, and better runtime, and the speed is high in when you compare with list. The NumPy arrays executes very faster than the list value, students. Okay, then this difference is, this is the first difference. We'll see the differences with the help of examples. We can't change size of an array. We can't able to change the size of an array. Okay, here see the example. Y is assigned with a value 6, 7, 8, and I'm trying to append the value called 8. So what is Y? Y is a list. Y is an example for list. Append of 8 means this function is adds the element at the end of the list. So what are the elements present in the Y? Print Y means the elements before append are 6, 7, 8. After append are and one more 8. So total how many elements are there? Total 4 elements are there. So the size is increased in the case of list. Coming to the example of NumPy, it is an example for NumPy. NumPy example. This is an example for NumPy. In this example, the first statement is import NumPy as NP. We are importing the statement, and x is equal to importing the NumPy. X is equal to np dot array of 5, 7, 8. So these are the list of elements. These elements will be converted into NumPy. The NumPy name is, array name is, NumPy array name is x, and we are trying to do append operation. Both programs seems to be similar. Here y is equal to 6, 7, 8. Here x is equal to np dot array of in this case y is equal to 6, 7, 8. Here x is equal to np of array of 5, 7, 8. Okay, both the same statements seems to be similar, but this is an example for the list and second one is example for an array. And we are doing append operation x dot append of. Here also we are doing append operation y dot append of 8. So in the case of NumPy, we are getting an array whenever you are trying to do an append operation and you are trying to print the statement, right? What is that array? What is that error? No attribute appended. It is not going to append the elements in the case of NumPy. Means we can't increase the size of the x value. Size of x. What is the size of x? 3, because it is having 3 elements. So array size cannot be increased or decreased. We can't change the size of an array, right? That is the first difference. We'll go with second difference. These are the other differences. As we have seen, array contain elements of homogeneous elements. Everybody knows arrays occupies much less space than the list. Okay, then fourth one, arrays are faster than the list. They are very faster than the list, and this point is very important. Fifth point is very important. Array supports vectorized operations. Array supports vectorized operations. If we apply a function, it is applied on every item. That is called vectorized operation. If you are applying a specific functionality, that will be applied on each and every element. We see the example for the vectorized operations. This is an example for vectorized operations. In this example, fifth difference, very important difference. Array supports vectorized operation that will work on one dimensional array. We'll see with the one dimensional array. This is the statement of importing the statement. Import NumPy as NP, and next statement we are converting the 9 to 3 into array, NumPy array, because 9 to 3 are separated by comma, these values are in the form of list. That list values will be converted into numpy using np.array. Right, next statement, we are writing x is equal to x plus 1. X is equal to x plus 1. So what is the answer you are getting? What is the answer you are getting? Print x. The values are 10, 3, 4. Before increment the values are 9, 2, 3. After incrementing the values are 10, 3, 4. So plus 1 operation is done. This is called vectorized operation. Vectorized operation means if you are performing any operation on the arrays, that will be affected to all the elements. So plus 1 will be applied to all the elements. So 9 change it to 10, 2 change it to 3, 3 change it to 4. This is called vectorized operation. See this second part. This is an example for the list. Y is equal to 7, 8, 6. And we are doing the same operation. Y is equal to y plus 4. That is called vectorized operation. But whenever you are trying to print y, it is showing an error. What is that error? List error. List can do concatenation. Concatenation means one list joins with another list. So it will not support addition or subtraction operation, but it will support concatenation of one list to another list. Means we can add two lists, L1 and L2. We can add the two lists, that is L1 and L2. L1, let us take example. L1 is having 1, 2, 3. L1 values are 1, 2, 3. Right, 1, 2, 3. L2 values are 4, 5, 6. Right. So this is list 1 and this is list 2. Okay. So list 1 values will be appended with list 2 values. Then answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not going to do the addition operation, but it will join both the lists. That is the operation supported by the list. Whereas in arrays, vectorized operations will be supported. So whenever you are trying to perform any operation, that will be applied to all the elements in the array. That's what we are getting 10, 3, 4 in this example. Okay. So we already discussed about the similarities, and also we have discussed about the differences. Once again we will recap all the differences. First, the similarity is only indexing is the similarity between the numpy array and list. And the differences are, the first difference is we can't change the size. This is the first difference. And the second difference, other differences are homogeneous elements, less space occupied by the arrays, and faster than the list. Arrays are faster than the list, and it will do the vectorized operations. So we have seen the vectorized operation with the help of program also, right? So this is the vectorized operation. Okay, vectorized operation means applying the operation on all the elements which are present in the array. Thank you very much, students.